Today in this video I will show you how to create a pure and impure pipe. So first of all, in the Visual Studio Code you can see here in the TS file I have created an array. So this is the variable and the variable name is country, and here is the value India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and United States. And in the HTML page I have displayed the array. So here the interpolation, and into the interpolation I have written the variable name country. So it's displaying the array, and here is the input field and a button. The button name is add button, and this is the view. And now if I write here another value like Russia, and if I click the add button, then the value will be added into this array, but the pure pipe will not display the changes and the impure pipe will display the changes immediately. So let's see it in example. So I will go to the Visual Studio Code and I need a input value because the input value will be added into the array. So I need an input value. So to get the input value I will use the template reference variable. So hash sign is for template reference variable and the variable name is text name. You can write any name of this variable. So now we can get any DOM property of this input element to use this variable. So here I will write a click function, because when I will click the add button, then the value of the input element will be added into this array. So here I will write a function, click function. So the parenthesis and click equals to, and the function name is add and parenthesis. And now here I will pass a parameter. I will pass the parameter is value of this input element. So the text name is the template reference variable dot value, because I use template reference variable to get the value of this input element. So this is the parameter, and now I will declare this function into the TS file. So below the array, first of all I will scroll the page, and here I will write the function add, and the parameter is value, because you can see I passed the parameter value, and value means this value, and we use template reference variable text name. So now we can get easily the DOM property value of this input element, and here the curly braces. So now this dot country variable dot push parenthesis into the parenthesis the value and semicolon to separate this line. So now if I click the button, then the button will be call this add function, and into the add function you can see this dot country array. That means into the country array I pushed the value of the input element. I will go to the custom pipe. So here is the custom pipe, and if you don't know how to generate custom pipe, then go to the description. I will add the link of this video. So here is the custom pipe, and the name of the custom pipe is, you can see, custom pipe. And now I will change the name of this custom pipe. So here I will write join array. So you can write here any name of this custom pipe, and now I will write here comma, and first of all I will show about pure pipe. So here is the pure colon true. That means this pipe is now pure pipe, and I will apply this pipe in this array. So I will copy the name of this pipe, and in the HTML file here the country array. So I will apply this pipe into this country array, because when I will add this button, then the value of the input element will be added into the country array. So I will add the pipe into the country array. So here is the pipe name, and now I will go to the browser. So you can see the array value is not displaying because the custom pipe is written null, and I use this custom pipe in this array. So that means now the array value is null. So here I will return this value parameter. So now it will display the array. So you can see here is the displaying array, and now I will write here a join. So dot join and parenthesis. This is the JavaScript method to join a array. So here is the browser, and now if I write here any value like Russia, and if I click the add button, the value it's adding into this array, but it's not displaying because this is the pure pipe. So in the TS file, here I will write a console log, and this dot country variable and semicolon to separate this line. So now I will open the console. So here is the console, and now if I add any value and click add button, then you can see it's added Russia. And again if I add here Dubai, so you can see in the next array it's added also Dubai, but it's not displaying here because this is the pure pipe. Now I will write here impure pipe. So in the pipe, custom pipe, I will write here pure false. That means it's now a impure pipe. So if I write here any value like Russia, you can see it's added here Russia, and Dubai, you can see here it's also added Dubai because this is the impure pipe. So the main difference is pure pipe will not display the changes, but the impure pipe reflect the changes immediately. So that's the main difference. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon also to get more videos of Angular.